Namaskar. I am Mrs. Nandini from Ramakrishna Mission School. I teach science from class 6 to 10 onwards. I am very much thankful of NTPC and our Reverend Swamiji for providing us such an extraordinary tool for teaching purpose. It has many advantages while we teach, as my subject science. While I teach science, it is very much helpful and also helps in interaction between the students and the teacher. So while explaining any workings of the human body systems, like for example, if we teach about the working of the heart, like it is very much easy to understand that how our heart pumps the blood, how the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is separated in our heart. So while earlier we used chalk and duster, first we draw the diagram of the heart, then the students can understand. That time it takes time to understand, but nowadays it is very much easy to understand that how our heart works. Similarly, in any other working system, it is very easy to understand by the students. So, teaching science by using IFP, it is very advantageous. It is very understanding, very interactive. We can provide the worksheets through it, we can provide the homework through it, and students can easily submit their assignments and we can show that assignment to the students. So it is very easy to in classroom teaching experience. So in this way I am very much grateful for NTPC for providing this IFP in our schools. Thank you so much.